So for my project, I originally was going to do something with Fort del Gres, which is the oldest fort in Guadeloupe. But I was more interested in the figure Louis del Gres. He was an old slave in Guadeloupe who has been reappropriated as this national symbol. But the problem there is they didn't know what he looked like. So they have a ton of his images and busts and statues of him everywhere, and they've added a face onto him. But the issue there is they've given an identity to someone who didn't really have an identity. So I want to analyze the consequences of giving a face to a faceless person and how it relates to the power dynamic between France and the departmentalization of Guadeloupe. And for my project, I 3D modeled one of the busts off of, so this is based off of a picture I took in Guadeloupe of one of the statues, and I modeled it to the likeness and size of what the country of the Department of Guadeloupe wanted. But then my next two busts, I kind of played with the idea of reducing the face a little bit, taking away the ears, taking away the nose, taking away the mouth. And then my last one is just a complete abstract piece, which the head and the neck. And I wanted to change the size because this is what they remember in Guadeloupe. This is the story that's told. But in reality, Del Gres could just be remembered like this, as in, like, he was a slave, he was against slavery and like the institution itself. But the way in which the state appropriates his image is a little bit problematic because he represented kind of this struggle against the state, and now he's been turned into a symbol of the state.